Onshape. And in this video, I'm just going to try and show you around a little bit. And I'm hoping to get us started on our initial CAD sessions tutorial. So once you've logged in, you're going to come to a page that might look something like this. I'm going to shut this particular button, okay? And that reveals to me folders that I've created. You can see that I've got lots of different folders from other kids that I've taught. Down here are the drawings that other kids have drawn, okay? Yours will be empty at this point, but don't worry about it. I have created a classroom called Technological Design. And inside this particular classroom, I have my classes. This particular year, these are the classes that are running in my semester. You're going to click on the class that is yours. You will have one option because I've invited you into that class. Okay. Then you're going to see different assignments that I have created. I want you to go into the very first assignments, which is probably called something like Onshape, CAD Sessions, Basics, something like this. This is the sheet that I see, but when I come over here and I press this button, this is what you will see. I've given you some brief instructions, okay? Follow the handout. This is the handout. Listen to the video tutorials. Create your titles like this with your first name first and then whatever the particular activity is. You're going to say start assignment. Click that button. Yours will be live and it will send you to your first Onshape drawing. I am going to go back to my own drawing as the example. So up top, it should say your name and then whatever that drawing inside the assignment is called. Your page is going to look something like this. What I ask at this point in time is that you go through all of the steps of the tutorial, the CAD Sessions tutorial, finish the drawing. You're going to have an object that looks something like that when you're done the first series of videos. Now, here we go. Down at the bottom where this tab is live, I want you to right click and I want you to rename this particular set of parts or drawings that you've made. And you're going to use your first name and you're going to call this one Basics. Okay. Then I'm going to get rid of this just for visual sake, okay? So now that was my first part. I'm going to come over here to this plus sign and I want to insert or create a new part studio. Here we go. This here is the part studio. You are now going to rename this guy, rename it, and it's going to be your name and it's going to be Sweep. You are then going to go through the tutorial that teaches you how to sweep. As soon as that's done, I come over here to the button again. I come to a new part studio. And again, I'm going to change the name of this one and it's going to be your name and then Loft. Know that there are going to be 1, 2, 3, up to 7 different tutorials that you are drawing within this main drawing here. And that will be saved within our classroom file. All right. I hope this makes sense. Best of luck.